Interesting you should say that. Let me just have a quick look. I know that it was around the 6 months mark that I had an issue with revenue. The site started strong. I think 3 or 4 months in, we started earning some quite good revenue from Amazon, and then it just dipped around August, September time, and I put it down to seasonality. But yeah, my traffic around September and October, it did dip a bit. I don't know if that was a Google sandbox or anything like that. I was still getting traffic from Google. And then in December, in fact, end of November, 28th of November. Now, I don't know if this was Sandbox or something else, but I switched my plugin from Yoast SEO to Rank Math, which I'm sure you're familiar with. It's a new, fairly new, really good SEO plugin for WordPress. And since then, traffic has gone up a lot more quickly. And like all these things, it's so hard to put it down to whatever that was. Was it because I changed the plugin? Was it because I've come out of a sandbox? Because end of November is, kind of nearly 6 months, maybe a little bit more. Was it just because of all the effort I've been doing is it starting to pay off? I don't know. It could just be a coincidence. I don't know.
Yep. And I think, I mean, usually that's what people say. They're like, hey, I've been doing like 8 things that probably should help. And then after 6 months, like good things seem to, and sometimes it's 6 months to the day, like where people are like, holy cow, there's truly a sandbox. And sometimes it's a little bit off. And I kind of believe there's something to it. And I kind of believe it's related to when you started publishing content on a sort of regular basis, or at least like publish like 10
Yeah.
articles or something.
Because when did they take that start date from? I mean, looking at it, it's longer than 6 months. It's maybe 9 months after I launched, but
Sure.
probably it might be 6 months after I started really regularly posting content on a regular basis. Because when I launched the site, there was a few articles on it, and I didn't do too much with it. I was busy working on the tutorials and all that kind of stuff. So who knows where they take that date from.
Yep.
I haven't had the problem of being stuck with a brand new domain. I hear that's often a problem where you register a new domain and it's hard to get that moving for a few months. But I've not
Yep.
noticed that.
And I think, another thing in play is just the ongoing Google algorithm updates, which I think there was one. There were several each month at the tail end of 2019. So you may have benefited from the
A
sandbox.
change, yeah, yeah.
It could have been the algorithm update. So have you observed anything else on like those specific dates where algorithm updates were rolled out? Did you notice anything?
No, I mean, I guess if I dug into it and tried to map it, I've not really been following it. I mean, definitely, you see in your analytics, suddenly something happens and it shoots up. And again, I don't know what that is. I can't put it down to any one event. But I think
Okay.
with all these algorithm updates, as long as you, again, just create good content, useful information, you're trying to help your visitors solve a problem, which is, what an affiliate marketing site is all about. It's helping someone make a purchase. I always see it as that a lot of people that come to my site, they do want to buy a roof box, they just don't know which one, and I've just got to hold their hand and guide them to the right product. As long as you do that and you don't do anything sneaky and you don't do anything a little bit untoward, I think you'll be fine, regardless of what Google do to the algorithms. In fact, it should benefit you because Google just want to serve good quality content to their users.
And I think I wish it was that simple. I was because I was gonna say like
I've probably simplified it a bit there, yeah.
yeah, I've seen so many where it's like a site that has constantly grown for a while, whether it's some of mine or other people's, and they're getting a lot of traffic. Some of these sites that I know of, and an update will come and they drop by 20%, and then another algorithm update comes and they go back higher than what they were, and then
Yeah.
they go back down, and
And
it's
there's
like
no rhyme or reason, and what they haven't done anything particularly sneaky, or there's no black hat going on, and the content's good, I guess.
it's like I said, some of these are really big, super high quality. All the things that we talk about for white hat outreach and or like social signals, in that there are like natural shares and links coming from Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube video. Like it's real brands, and they get hit. So I agree in theory. Yeah, if you do good content, you'll be okay. But sometimes like there's some funny stuff going on where no one really knows. It's very super complex these days.
Yeah,
So
it is, and it's kind of scary, I guess, in some ways, but
yeah,
got to keep going and hope you
indeed.
pull through the other side.